Kim Chu, nakabalik na sa Pinas, kaibigang si Bella may launch na bagong business. Matapos ang naganap na event at pagdalo ni Kim Chu kahapon, sa Content Asia Awards, ay maaga pa nga lang kanina, ay nagbiyahe na rin sila Kim kasama sila Ate Lakam at kanyang team para makabalik sa Pilipinas, at dahil Content Asia ang kanilang dinaluhan, ay nakakuha rin si Kim ng mga content kahapon na ipapasilip naman nito sa kanyang mga fans. Videos and photos on a roll from Taiwan, since Content Asia nga daw, only content kami, thank you everyone, for all the love and sweet messages you sent me, nakakataba ng puso, panalo na ako sa inyo pa lang. Hanggang sa Taiwan din ay marami ang nakakilala kay Kim Chu kanina, na mga Taiwanese.
Thank you so much. Why did you know her? Why?
Yesterday.
Oh, last night.
Samantala, ang matalik na kaibigan naman ni Kim na si Bella Padilla ay nasa Bacolod dahil sa bago nitong business na Bella by Bella.
Just arrived in Bacolod! Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Stonehill Suites. Ang ganda. Hi, Tatas! We are in the presidential suite. So beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna get ready now. We have about 45 minutes to get ready for our first ever Bella by Bella event. So, this is right before our launch. We're launching on September 9, pero we already have a partner here in Bacolod. So, our products are gonna be available very, very soon here in Bacolod in 3 malls. So, watch out for my updates. Bye!